All right, guys, Coach Kimmy here. So we're gonna do a straight blunt bob. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. Straight blunt bob. You see this? You like that comb? Okay, you guys know I did my own hair with this baby. You pull it, and you make sure your scissor is on the flat part. Straight, 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 straight. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get that a little bit more out of there. Just kidding. All right, now we're doing the real straight line, okay? You're combing your scissors. I just wanted to, you know, show you guys my special comb, my magical comb. Okay, so what you do is you pull this out, and then you put no tension on that hair at all. No tension. Pull it to the end. Comb's got to be straight. Your arm's got to be straight. Yeah, this is going to be so pretty. And now your head up straight. Perfect. Now we comb it all down. See where that baby's going. And so somebody gave her a great compliment, right, Maria? From
yes.
They said it looked like somebody from White Lotus.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. How long have you been doing your hair now? Like,
well, I think
10 years since I've been here,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
10 years.
Mm-hmm.
And we go, sometimes we make it very rounded, like we'll push it under, or we'll make it very straight. So this is like a nice straight blunt bob. Pull that hair forward. See how I pull it forward? Okay, perfect. Maria, I'm going to actually turn your head like that, yeah. So this way, I could get her shoulder out of the way and do a really straight cut. Woohoo! See, and now, put everything down. You just tap, 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 tap your straight. You gotta give a little room to this ear. So you're gonna be very gentle around that ear. And you could always right here, just pick it up a little so it doesn't get too short. Perfection. I love perfection sometimes, you know? Your hair just goes perfect, Maria. You just have perfect hair, but I feel like you just train it so well, right? You train it so well. I feel like it's very cold in here.
Mm-hmm. I think.
Or turn the air off.
Turn it off.
Are you cold? Right, it's
I'm a
cold.
little cold. Oh, you have it in 70.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
And I'm gonna check this haircut. Check, check, check. I'm gonna take half of this side and comb it all the way over here. Make sure it matches. Now we're gonna take the other side. Okay. Do you ever wear your hair to the side?
I used to, and then I
You just
switch
kinda-
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you put the pieces. Let me see you. Make sure that's like. Great. Stay tuned for that beautiful straight blonde bob. Look at that beautiful. She loves the white lotus, she's saying. That's where she got a compliment from. It's just nice and straight.